Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing good. Since 2020 is almost half done already, I thought it's now or never that I go through some of the best footballers in each position in the last decade. Starting off this list, I wanted to begin with goalkeepers. So here is my list of the 5 best goalkeepers of the last decade. Marc-Andre Ter Stegen. Marc-Andre Ter Stegen came through the Borussia Mönchengladbach academy and made his way to the first team in 2010 at the age of just 18, and by the start of the 11-12 season he was their first choice between the sticks. In 2.5 seasons with the German club, he made 127 appearances in the league and Europa League before making the switch to Barcelona in 2014 for 12 million euros. He played a bit part role in his first season with the Blaugrana, featuring only in the Champions League and the domestic cup games as Barcelona lifted their 5th European crown at the end of that season. His performances further cemented his position as the number 1 for the Spanish champions in the following year, and he has been their undisputed number 1, completing 224 appearances for Barcelona till date. He took his game to new heights since 2018, and I think he's one of the 3 best goalkeepers in the world right now. While his club career has been instrumental to say the least, the same can't be said about his international career. He made his Germany debut in 2012, but he has just gone on to win 24 caps since. That's not a criticism of Ter Stegen, but it's more down to Joachim Löw's preference to stick with Manuel Neuer, who, spoiler alert, will be featuring in this list as well. I think hadn't there been such stiff competition from the Bayern and Germany captain, he would have been ranked even higher on this list. Jan Oblak. Jan Oblak moved to Benfica in 2010 as a 17-year-old from his native Slovenia before being loaned out to Rio Ave in the Portuguese top flight. After 31 appearances for Rio Ave and 26 for Benfica, he moved to Atletico Madrid for 16 million euros to replace the Chelsea-bound Thibaut Courtois in 2014, the same year when Barcelona moved for Ter Stegen. Oblak has gone on to make 245 appearances for the Madrid-based club, conceding less than a goal a game and keeping a clean sheet in more than half those games. Oblak was also capped by Slovenia in 2012 for the first time and has gone on to earn further 27 caps with his national side. Oblak's career has nowhere near been as trophy-laden as others on this list, with just 6 major trophies to his name, but I believe he has been the best goalkeeper in the league ever since his arrival in 2014 and continues to be so even today, ahead of Real Madrid's Thibaut Courtois and arguably just ahead of Barcelona's Ter Stegen. He is also the youngest goalkeeper in this list at just 27 years of age, with at least 6 to 8 years of high-quality top-flight football ahead of him. Gianluigi Buffon. Gianluigi Buffon came through the youth setup through the Italian side Parma and made his first senior appearance for the side in 1994 at the age of just 16. He made a big money move to Juventus in 2001 for a record-breaking 53 million euros. He has gone on to make over 900 appearances in a career spanning more than 25 years with Parma, Juventus and a brief year with PSG in 2018. In his trophy-laden career, he has gone on to win 9 Serie A titles, 5 Italian Cups, 6 Italian Super Cups to name a few with Juventus, and the Ligue 1 and French Super Cup crowns with PSG in 18-19. He has also won 176 caps with Italy, winning the World Cup with the Italian side in 2006. But since this was achieved in the previous decade and not in this one, I can't give that triumph much weightage here. He is the only goalkeeper on the list who is not the number 1 for their current club side, but that is just down to his ripe old age of 42 and not down to his inferiority to the number 1 Wojciech Szczesny in any way. He won everything there is to win in the game, except for that elusive Champions League trophy, and this season is probably his last chance of winning the UCL crown. He was one of the best goalkeepers in the world, not just for this decade but also for the previous decade, and that's not something I can say about any other goalkeeper in the list today. David De Gea. David De Gea came through the Atletico Madrid Youth Academy and made his debut for the first team in 2009 at just 18 years of age. He went on to make 84 appearances over 2 seasons for the Madrid-based side. He won the Europa League and the Spanish Super Cup in his first year at the club, and that was enough for Manchester United to shell out 25 million euros for the then 20-year-old. To say that his early days at the club were tough would be an understatement. It took him almost 3 years to find his feet in the red half of Manchester, and he has been the Red Devils' best player since, and has gone on to make close to 300 appearances for them. Before the arrival of Ederson and Alisson in 2017 and 18 respectively, a strong case could have been made for the 29-year-old stopper to be by far and away the best keeper in the league. He has also been capped by Spain 41 times. While he has not won as many trophies as some of the others on this list, his impact on the post-Fergie Manchester United cannot be understated. His recent dip in form following the 2018 World Cup has affected his stand in the global game and among the Red Devils faithful as well, and he may not be as adept with the ball at his feet compared to the aforementioned Brazilians. But as a sheer stopper, there are still very few who are better than the Manchester United and Spain number 1. Manuel Neuer. Manuel Neuer came through the Schalke Youth Academy, making his way to the first team in 2005 at the age of just 18, and subsequently being named the captain in 2010, making over 200 appearances for the German side, and was arguably the best young goalkeeper in Europe at the time. Bayern Munich came calling in 2011, offering 35 million euros for his services, making him the second most expensive goalkeeper of all time. 9 illustrious and trophy-laden campaigns followed, consisting of 7 Bundesliga titles, 5 German Cups, and the Champions League in 2013. The 34-year-old German international was handed Bayern captaincy in 2017 following Philipp Lahm's retirement, and has gone on to make close to 400 appearances for the record champions. But Neuer's greatest achievement came in 2014 as he was instrumental in Germany's 2014 World Cup triumph in Brazil, winning the Golden Glove for the tournament as well. Neuer has been a pillar in the back for Bayern and Germany for a decade and has revolutionized the way we think about goalkeepers, not just as mere shot stoppers, but as a sweeper and an 11th outfield player in attack. He has inspired a generation of goalkeepers like Ederson, Alisson, and his fellow countrymate Ter Stegen. While his methods come with a certain amount of risk attached to them, and he did see a drop in his prowess following a foot injury in 2017, this season we have started to see glimpses of the old Neuer again, and he is by far the best goalkeeper of the last decade. I hope you agree with my list for today. Feel free to comment in the comment section below. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more future content. Bye.